In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to directly contact WhatNot customer support. Whether you're a buyer dealing with an undelivered item or a seller needing help with listings or payouts, their support team can provide timely assistance and help resolve problems efficiently. To do this, simply head to WhatNot. You want to tap on Account. On your profile page, navigate onto the option of Help and Legal. You want to select Contact Us. Now, if these displayed issues ain't among your issue, tap on General. Here you have to select what's related to what you want to tell them. Now you just want to write a new issue, and down below, make sure to also tap right here to provide some screenshots of what you are really talking about. Now once everything is set, tap on Submit. WhatNot won't take long without getting back to you. It usually takes half a day or lesser than that for them to reach out and solve your problem. Well, that's how easy it is to contact WhatNot customer support. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.